Hello, beautiful people. Thank you so much for joining. It's Darnell, and I'm here with a very simple and easy tutorial on how you can style your locks when you are in quote unquote need of a retwist. So, as you guys can see, my locks have grown a lot. They are now touching my behind, and I need to get them out of the way. So, using just plain water, I am spritzing some on my hairline and roots, as well as the length of my locks, and this will help my locks to be more pliable and they will be more flexible. Now, I like to do this and just squeeze the water into my locks because I do have low porosity hair, so the water would just sit on the top layer. Now, using this hair tie, I am just finger combing all of my locks to make a high ponytail on top of my head, being sure to just smooth all of my hair down and make sure there's no crinkles within the ponytail. Now I put my ponytail through the hair tie, and then with the excess piece of the hair tie, I simply pull it up a little bit, twist, and then pull one of the pieces of the hair tie through that top loop that I've just created, and that helps to create a slip knot. Now I do this to help tighten my ponytail, but not too tight, and this helps for it to feel very secure. This part is optional. If you want to double your hair tie, you can, but I like to do this, and then I just tuck that little excess loop under itself in the ponytail. Next, I take a headband size or extra large size hair tie, put that on my wrist, grab my locks, lightly twist them, and start to wrap them around themselves. And while I'm doing this, I'm just trying to form the shape with my hand and place the ends of my locks under the beginning of my locks being wrapped around themselves. Now I take that big hair tie, wrap it over my locks twice, and then using my hands help to mold the bun the way that I want it to look. Here I just take any little bits that are sticking out, any little ends that need to be put away, I just grab them and either tuck them under the hair tie or tuck them into the bun. And here I'm just making sure that they are molded, that the bun is molded and it looks the way that I want it to look. And once I'm satisfied, I just move on to the next step. Now, this next step is optional. You do not have to follow it, but I wanted to tame my edges just a little bit, especially because my grays are so disrespectful today. So, in order to tame them, I like to either finger coil them or lay them down with some gel or hair mousse. So, in this instance, I will be spritzing my hairline with plain water, and then I will just finger coil loose hair that is in the back of my head. And I will not use product on that because I don't really feel like I need it. But as far as the front, I am spritzing it with water to get it prepared for a gel that I like to use on my baby hairs in the front. Now, as you guys can see, my hair tends to grow away from the locks, so that's why I have so much loose hair in the back. And I haven't done a retwist in weeks. Don't ask me how many, girl. I don't remember. At least 4 or 5. But here I'm just sectioning them off and just grabbing it and just twirling that hair on around my fingers just to help define the curl pattern. And then I'm moving on to the front. Now with the hair gel that I'm using, the directions say for you to dampen the hair before using it, and it's got to be ultra glued. This stuff is almost like, I don't even know what to say. It's very, it does its job, and it does the job very well. I will say or suggest that you proceed with caution when using this, because this, it will set your hair however you set it for. So once you put this to your hair, you mold it in the way that you want it to be, and then that's it. It will stay that way until you wash it out. And that's a great thing, especially if you want your look to last, for the whole day. But I do proceed with caution because, again, it's on your hair. So I never had this product in my hair from not even 24 hours. The most was maybe 8 to 12 hours. And then I would wash it out as I wash my face in the shower. And I simply just start off wetting that hair, getting it really saturated until it feels like the product is slipping off. And then I proceed to wash it out like with the same facial cleanser that I use. And this product has not agitated my skin or anything. My hairline has not suffered at all from this. So I do recommend it if you want a really strong hold. But I haven't used it within my locks or on my roots anywhere else on my head. So now, do you guys see how cute and chic and pretty and girly this look is? High bun, a little bit of curls, a little bit of baby hairs, and there you have it. Super easy, quick, and as you can see, it is super secure as well. This bun is not going anywhere, honey. But let me know in the comment section below if you guys have tried out this style and if this technique has helped you. Definitely, if you post any pictures on your Instagram, tag me in it. Let me know that you've tried my technique and it worked. I've tried this for days before I showed it to you guys, and I'm so glad that I was able to get the technique down enough so that I can explain it. So here I'm just putting on my glasses so I can see. And I'm pleased with this. I'm happy. So until next time, you guys, I'll see you guys later. Talk to you then. Bye.